basic electronic skills that may come in handy in the future, especially when it is related to the course that I will pursue in college.
Which helped me to organize and maintain my workstation and to be neat and well disciplined.
I've learned to use the 5S every time and basic electronic skills in my working station.
I have developed computer and technical skills during the immersion, and I also developed my mechanical skills further. I have gained a leadership skill during this immersion.
During the immersion, I have learned the process of a manufacturing company through the training that we went through these past few days. I have learned some electrical things and mechanical things, and I learned how to discipline myself and be a professional one someday.
Learn some basic knowledge about electrical engineering that will help me in everyday life.
Patriotic in 2 weeks. I'm more creative on making efficient and effective strategies. My time management has improved. I learned how to act
Better in order to avoid any misunderstandings. I've also learned how to operate basic machines used in manufacturing companies.
I have learned the 5S as my disciplinary skills. My discipline was tested during the immersion.
I had learned the discipline of the 5S. These 5S are one of the most important things in work.
We were taught and shape ourselves to be a better person, to follow the rules and behave ourselves.
I learned to do the right thing even if no one is watching in my working station.
I had adopted the 5S to be disciplined, and the immersion helped me realize what life is.
This immersion taught us to follow the proper process and not to skip anything.
I have learned the 5S as my disciplinary skills. My discipline was tested during the immersion.
patriotic in 2 weeks. I've become more creative on making efficient and effective strategies. My time management has improved.
We were taught how to discipline ourselves by cleaning our workstation using the 5S after work and doing our work even if no one is watching.
During our work immersion at Criotic, I learned how to manage my time, follow the rules and regulations of the company, respect my coworkers and the heads of my workplace, and I also learned how to deal with my weaknesses and strengths. And through this, I understand what work really is. And work is not just for skills, but it's also about the discipline on how we bring ourselves right or orderly.
This immersion helped us know the facts well takes someday.
It helped me realize what life really is, but it also helped me become a better person because of the discipline it showed.
It helped us to learn the basic knowledge not only in electronics but also proper work behavior.
It taught me to be a better person and showed me what work really is in real life.
It helped us realize our true passion in life, and it also helped us realize our true self.
I've seen and learned so much during these past 10 days in the work immersion that may help us choose our path in college.
My industry immersion experience helped me as a person. It makes me realize what life really is and what course should I take. It helps me to grow more and be more responsible in order to have a better future and a successful life. Thank you, Kayarik.
The training process is really effective. Our 2 weeks of work immersion made me a better and more mature individual.
I learned how to be a better person and a follower so may my through mechanical and technical things.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Jane Casiria. The advantages of having on-the-job training for grade 12 students are for them to gain valuable work experience, learn more about the field or industry, and apply knowledge learned in their classroom. And lastly, the students are prepared for their future career. Thank you very much.